Marami mang hindi pinalad na ating kababayan sa kanilang laban sa mundo ng boxing, ay mayroon pa din namang mga Pinoy na nagtagumpay, mga nagpakitang gilas ngayong 2024 para iangat muli ang bandera ng Pilipinas pagdating sa sports na boxing. Tulad na lamang ni Jack Tepora kontra sa pambato ng bansang Mexico na si David Bandalial. Sa laban nga na ito mga idol, ay hindi man lang tumagal ang kalaban, kung saan pinabagsak agad ni Tepora ang kalaban sa unang round pa lang ng kanilang sagupaan. Isang Asian Boxing Federation welterweight champion na Pinoy nga po mga idol ang dumayo at napalaban sa mayabang na pambato ng bansang Thailand na si Wampichit Siripana, kung saan nga mga idol ay lintik maliitin at bulihin nito ang ating kababayan sa kanilang laban, ang tubong Magdalena Sorsogon na pambato natin sa welterweight division na si Ador Torres. Naganap ang kanilang sagupaan sa Space Plus Bangkok RCA Thailand nito lamang March 28, 2024. Halina't ating balikan mga idol kung paano tinuruan ng leksyon ng ating kababayan ang hambog na Thai fighter.
Nice right hand with the left. And Wampichit throws a left hand of his own.
And he fires a body shot as well.
Unang round pa nga lamang po mga idol ay may pataas-taas pa ng kilay itong kalaban, kung saan parang ipinahihiwatig nito na hindi mo ako kaya.
Going wild, even when it doesn't land, they're going wild. Not trying to show too much of their hand early on. Wampichit throws a big looping right hand. As staying very calm, holds the center of the ring. And Wampichit throws a 7-jab combination to that move. He did not react as he throws a body shot of his own and eats a right hand from Wampichit. One is before he sets up that big left hand as we saw there on the side of the head. And a nice combination landed by Ador Torres. And he allows his opponent to get a reset. And a right hand downstairs by Wampichit, which almost stumbles Ador Torres. And Ador needs to be very careful and give some respect to Wampichit, trying to set his opponent up for a big right hand downstairs. Ador Torres with his back against the ropes looks very calm in there as he flicks out the jab.
At sa pagtatapos nga ng unang round ay makikita na binangga pa ng Thai boxer ang ating kababayan bago magtungo sa kanilang corner.
Action trying to blitz his opponent.
A nice first. Round by Perfidy's fight.
Sa mga sumunod na round nga ay nananatiling mahinahon at focus si Ador Torres at hindi pinairal ang init ng ulo sa nambubuling kalaban. Ipinakita nito kung ano nga ba ang totoong lakas ng isang mandirigmang Pilipino pagdating sa ibabaw ng lona.
Ador Torres has had it and fires back of his own. Right hand upstairs by Wampichit and a right uppercut as well between the guards. And listen, Personal is at his disadvantage. He needs to just use his... Ador Torres has no reason to take these shots off. Jab out and then trying to set up that big left hand down the middle. Ador now uses a nice move of dragging the guard down of Wampichit to throw a left hand upstairs. And Ador Torres. A nice 1-2 landed by Ador Torres. Very calm, very wise, not getting in. Wampichit wants to make this a slugfest. And Ador Torres to keep this a boxing match. A southpaw against an orthodox. You're trying to fight for the lead leg of your opponent. you're trying to get your lead leg on the outside of theirs because it allows you to throw a power lead leg. And a nice double jab landed by Adol Torres. Wanpachit inside the pocket, and Adol Torres definitely not afraid to fight fire with fire. Adol Torres, rather than waiting for an opening, create your opening. He says 10 seconds to go of round number 2. And a nice double jab. And Adol now with a better combination. Boxing will win this fight for Adol Torres. He just needs a backhand. Single jab, backhand. A jab misses. And a right hand downstairs by Chit to actually be winning this fight. I'd like to see a little bit more activity in the first round. A nice left hand downstairs, Torres. Adol Torres throws a much better combination and activity. Adol Torres now holds center of the ring and flicks that jab up and evades the damage of Wanpachit. And exactly what Adol Torres needs to do. Adol throwing that jab out a lot more confidently now. Exactly what he needs to do. Find the range and set up that left hand. Adol Torres just dancing around. He's got to be very careful with the jab because Wanpachit will read into it and throw a big left hand upstairs. Pachit went for something there. It looks like he's starting to tire, but he's still dangerous in the pocket. Wanpachit now got his opponent on the ropes. He holds the head of Adol Torres to throw a big right hand of his own. And a nice left hand by Adol Torres, almost stopping Wanpachit in his tracks. And Adol Torres has been accurate with this piston of a jab, constantly flicking it out, exactly what he needs to do. 10 seconds of round number 3. Adol Torres boxing beautifully, jabbing perfectly as he swings for the fences.
Sa pang-apat na round naman mga idol, dito nga ay pinagmukbang ng Pinoy ng mga jab ang hambog na kalaban hanggang sa maubusan na ito ng gasolina sa laban.
Again, dancing around with that nice jab, flicking out combinations. Wanpachit needs to be careful for Ree. Will be looking very carefully if he keeps eating jabs. Adol Torres with a nice combination, and he needs to do something because this referee is looking very closely here. Wanpachit now needs to come alive, and a beautiful right hand downstairs. Very similar to Rocky Balboa against Apollo Creed. But Wanpachit needs to do something if he wants this referee to keep. Although the crowd are going wild at these body shots, they are hitting the guard of Adol Torres, and I don't think they're doing enough. Adol Torres now has Wanpachit where he wants him. He needs to just keep bullying Wanpachit right now, just constantly throwing combinations. Adol needs to just be active and keep those straight punches coming. Even if Adol is hitting the guard of Wanpachit, it's gonna look good on the judges. Been very nice in these later rounds. Wanpachit leaning on his opponent. And I'm not sure this is enough because Adol Torres does a very good job of staying calm under pressure. And as we can see, he's landing combinations. The referee looking for a reason to now step in, I believe, because Wanpachit, although dangerous, do not give the referee a reason. And like I said,
kinawawa at winasak ng ating kababayan ng kalaban hanggang sa magdesisyon na ang referee na itigil na ang laban para maiwasan ang matinding pinsala pang matatamo ng Thai fighter na si Wanpachit Siripana.
Ladies and gentlemen, in round number 4, 2 minutes and 14 seconds into the round, your fighter in the blue corner was unable to continue. your winner and new ABF welterweight champion goes to your fighter in the red corner, Adol Torres.
Dito ay matagumpay na naidepensa ni Adol Torres ang hawak nitong titulo via 4th round technical knockout. Ang tubong Beruela, Agusan del Sur, ang tinaguri ang striker ng Philippine boxing na si Jason Bison. Ang napalaban sa bansang Japan nito lamang April 21, 2024 ng light flyweight division kontra sa isang pambato ng bansang Japan na si Takeru Inoue. Sa labanang ito mga idol ay hawak ng ating pambato ang WBO Asia Pacific Light Flyweight Belt at susubukang idepensa sa kalabang Hapon. Kaya halina't ating balikan mga idol ang mainit na bakbakan ng ating kababayang si Jason Bison kontra sa Hapon na si Takeru Inoue.
YouTube の方では今日はもうフィリピンから多くの人がこの試合を見ています。今度は左です、バイソン。ちょっと攻め手がなくなったか、井上。なんか強いですね、速いんですよ。バイソン選手、ボディ打たれると少しそこに活路を見出せるか、井上立てるね。第2ラウンドも終盤まで入りました。今のタイミング良かったですね。はい。最後しかし相手の打ち終わりでした、バイソン。井上が虹による、そして今いいパンチが当たった。ちょっと効いたか、ちょっと効いたか。このスプリント逃げようと左でした。そしてボディから上、右は当たった、右は当たった。今のようなパンチもらうんですね。しかし左のボディを返した。ワンツースリー、ボディに活路を見出した井上武。4戦4勝、まだまだ盛り上がってますね。しかしバイソンクレバー、左右、おっと接近戦に活路を見出すが、ちょっと右当たりました。この攻撃を続けたい。ここ不用意に入らずともしかし攻めたい。このもどかしい状況打破できるか。右外に入った。コーナーに詰まった、コーナーに詰まった。端のみだ、バイソン。上の本庄が後半にドラマを起こして右だ。バイソンの足が揃った。右かち上げた。 な展開が待っていました。まさにシーソーゲーム。左が当たった。バイソンは両者にとって踏ん張りどころ。左ボディにも当たる、顔面にも当たる。井上左をかち上げる。右足を切る。返したバイソン。左のボディ、ナイス、もう一回かち上げた。そして右反発ですが当てる。そうですね、バイソンも今しんどい、バイソンにとってもしんどいところ。引っ張りどころです。左を食った。バイソンも当てる。そして右、バイソンも返す。バイソンでナイスコーナーに行くという感じ。井上ボディがショート連打。後半は井上優勢で来ています。ただ打たれ強い、バイソンも打たれ強しい戦いだ。両者体を好調させて食いついて立っていればという感じですよね。倒れないというバイソンの気概も見えます。そしてその中でも単発当てます。右、おっとバランスが崩れた。大丈夫です。バイソン耐える。だいぶ足張り切れなくなってきたバイソン。井上も苦しい。ただ井上には一度まとめる。この接近してくるバイソンをなんとかいなして得意の中間距離から踏み込みたい井上。バイソン右、アッパーだ。アッパー勝ち上げた。素晴らしいアッパーだ。しかしそれでもベンチラウンド大詰め。アジアパシフィックのライトフライ級タイトルマッチ初防衛戦、バイソンに対して最後まで諦めない。アッパー。
Matapos nga ang matinding bakbakan at palitan ng mabibigat na suntok ng dalawang boksingero mga idol, ilang segundo bago pa man matapos ang final round, ay napabagsak ng ating kababayan si Takeru Inoue. Kinapos lang sa oras, kaya't hindi na nagawang inakaut ng ating kababayan ng kalabang Hapon. Kaya naman, ang resulta humantong sa kamay ng mga hurado. Dito ay itinanghal na panalo ang ating kababayang si Jason Bison at naidepensa nito ang hawak na titulo.
WBO Asia Pacific Light Flyweight Champion Jason!
Iilan lamang sila sa mga Pinoy nating boksingero na matagumpay na naipanalo ang kanilang bawat laban. Mga patuloy pa na lumalakas at nagbibigay karangalan sa bansang ating sinilangan. Sino sa mga boksingerong ito mga idol ang napupusuan nyo at may mas maganda pang hinaharap sa mundo ng boxing? Paki-comment naman po ang inyong opinion. Maraming salamat po at God bless.